Welcome to Crash Official, where we bring you the most terrifying car crashes and bizarre accidents involving invasive species caught on camera. We'll reveal the shocking truths and unseen dangers lurking around every corner. Buckle up and subscribe for a wild ride you won't forget. In Arkansas, fleeing from the police means facing a dedicated pursuit.
No, not yet.
The state's law enforcement will not hesitate to sacrifice vehicles if necessary to apprehend a suspect. A mischievous truck gave the car in front of it a nudge, helping it find a better parking spot. The truck assumed the driver wanted to park a little further down the street. Who would have thought that the biggest road hazard would be a spare wheel? This unexpected crash gets bad, then better, and then way, way worse. 3 thieves in a stolen Mercedes tried to outrun the police. However, their high-speed chase ended in a brutal crash.
No, darling. I'm just thinking where one is the close figure that takes us to where we gotta go. Right, well, while you're driving for the stuff, I don't want you to do that. So we're gonna lift it out the car. Right, here they are. Word right now.
The collision completely destroyed the luxury car. In a striking display of instant karma, their reckless escape was cut short, leaving them with nothing but the wreckage of their crime. someone driving in the left lane of the German Autobahn posed a danger.
Ey, Alter, Mann!
However, it seems the cameraman's luck extended to this situation as well.
Oh mein Gott!
A driver of a Mustang mysteriously lost consciousness at high speed due to a medical condition. It's a miracle that nobody was injured except for the car itself. Thankfully, a woman's failed driving test in Buenos Aires was a stroke of luck for everyone. Instead of unleashing her dangerous driving skills on the city streets, she failed the exam, preventing a potential disaster. Her inability to pass the test was a win for public safety, saving the people of Buenos Aires from a terrible driver. A driver in Florida caused chaos, crashing through everything in their path. The vehicle veered off the road and into a grassy area, hitting other cars and sending one flying out of the parking lot. The driver was cited for reckless driving, and local authorities are investigating the incident. Some people are so rushed they can't even pause for a car wash they chose to enter. They drive through, sometimes causing damage. Their impatience seems to override common sense, leading to mishaps. This kind of hurry reflects a modern paradox, seeking convenience but being too busy to enjoy it. That was a pancake crash of epic proportions. Someone's anger management skills could have used a tune-up before this flipped pancake situation. While anger is a normal human emotion, it's how you express it that matters. Those sessions exist for a reason, and a little help could have saved a lot of mess.
Man, I knew that was going to happen.
A record-breaking snowstorm triggered 24 chain reaction accidents as visibility dropped below 5 meters. The treacherous conditions caused by the unprecedented snowfall created hazardous roads and led to the widespread pileups. Emergency services struggled to respond to the numerous incidents amidst the extreme weather. The storm's aftermath resulted in extensive traffic delays and significant property damage across the region. A devastating accident occurred on the highway after a truck's brakes failed. The vehicle collided with multiple cars and then burst into flames. First responders and emergency crews arrived quickly to the scene. The incident caused significant damage and created major traffic delays.
Oh my gosh. A terrible accident happened on the highway when the truck lost its brakes, smashed into the vehicles in front of it, and burst into flames.
A teen driver lost control of a sports car while speeding in Virginia, hitting a police officer during a traffic stop. The collision occurred on May 1. Fortunately, no one was seriously hurt. The driver faces a charge of reckless driving due to the incident. This video may be over, but the road to danger never ends. Subscribe to Crash Official for more terrifying car crashes and bizarre accidents caught on camera. We'll see you on the next wild ride.